Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into Revid.ai for the first time. I will just tap on my account and I will already logged in because my account was old since 1 month ago. So I will just tell you the some simple steps after login for the first time. Make sure you verify your email after signing up. Check your email for a verification link from a Revid.ai. So when you just click on the link, please verify your account, and once your email is verified, return to the Revid website and log in using your registered email and password. So in basics, you will just set up a profile and you can just explore a dashboard. Right over here you will see you can just after logging in your familiarize yourself with the dashboard where you can start creating videos or accessing various tools available on platform. So you can just simply use it from here. You will see this is my old history. So the first time for the steps is enough for this. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.